Hey guys, it's Frank Del Rio. We're out here in the city of Anaheim at a special location that everybody knows. They've been rocking 3 generations of family deliciousness, and we're going to be talking about it today. We're also going to go over how to pick the right agent for you in this crazy market. Let's go. The FDR Show is all about showing you amazing food, delicious drinks, and giving you the best real estate advice to get what you want with your home. As a busy realtor with over 20 years of experience, I'm out and about experiencing food and helping families with their homes. Join me as we cruise around visiting the best spots and talking shop. Come for the food and drinks and stay for the real estate. Welcome to the FDR Show. Hey guys, and welcome back to the show. Today we're in Anaheim at Cortinas Italian Market. Now they're more than just a market. Okay, you can go to the market side and get your Italian groceries. They've got the freshly baked bread. They've got the delicious meats. They've got an array of different olive oils and sauces and all the products you want to get directly imported from Italy. They do it big. And then you walk right next door and you get to have a delicious taste of amazing sandwiches, hand-tossed pizzas. I mean, they're back there just chucking them. You don't see that too often, and that's partly why they've been in the game out here helping and serving this community for 3 generations, almost 60 years of serving up Orange County and the Anaheim area. Here's the big deal for me, guys. I love a good deli sandwich, and Cortinas just knows how to do it. The bread, the meats, I love the different names that they put on their sandwiches. You know, they got the Rocky Balboa, Yo Adrian. They've got my favorite, the Fireball. I do mine with a little twist. I add some turkey with it, but inside you can see this beautiful display here. You've got the gabagool, it's a spicy gabagool, the spicy calabrese salami with provolone cheese, a mixture of fiery hot peppers, lettuce, onions. I added the turkey, of course, and then it's baked on this beautiful French roll, Italian roll essentially, and it's nice and soft. I mean, you don't even want to take a bite. It's so beautiful. Here we go. That's so good. First off, you get the crunch of the bread, which I love. For me, the bread makes the sandwich. The softness inside's real fluffy. And then you get the meats, you get the cheeses, and they bring it all together with the peppers, the olive oil, the lettuce, tomatoes. Oh man, this is a really good sandwich. Now, who doesn't like a delicious slice of pizza, right? They make their pizzas fresh here, hand-tossed dough. And we went with the classic pepperoni. Woo, here we go. I love how the cheese sticks together. That's when you know you got a good slice of pizza. Look at that sucker. Wow. The cheese has a nice little hint of some flavoring, some herbs, some salt. The pepperoni isn't too overpowering. The sauce is beautiful. The bread's nice and crunchy, how I like it. And just, you know, the display itself, you can't go wrong with a pepperoni pizza. You have to try Cortinas Italian Market. If you haven't been here, give them a try. They've got 2 locations, one in Orange. Come to the Anaheim one, because here they're tossing up the pizzas. You've got the Italian Market right next door. You're gonna have a great time, okay? Forget about it. Come down here. Even if you're not Italian, just come and enjoy this delicious food, because I promise you, you're gonna be super happy. Now let's see what our bartender Randy is stirring up for you guys today behind the bar. Hey guys, we're back. We got our bartender Randy. He's stirring up today one of the most classic of classic drinks, the Dirty Martini. It's got this air of sophistication. It really comes from a bygone era if you think about it, but it's coming back and everybody's ordering it, and I love Randy's take on it. Remember, if you guys want to visit Randy or you want to check out his Instagram page or hire him for your next event, you can go on Instagram. He's at randyman150. He was kind enough to offer a special pricing for anybody that mentions the FDR Show, so take advantage of it. You can have him at your home serving everybody up. So let's go, Randy. Let's see that Dirty Martini.
You got it, Frank.
Okay, Randy, tell me about your dirty martini, because just from face value, this thing just, it just exudes sophistication. Tell me about it.
Well, what I use is and I love this, it's a blue ice vodka. And the brine from the olive juice is just together perfect. What I do is I mix them, perfect mixture, and you stir until the tin starts to sweat. I don't shake it, I stir it.
Yeah.
Stir it, you don't bruise the vodka, you strain it. 3 olives is great.
Nice.
It's the perfect before drink. I'm sure you'll love it, Frank.
Excellent. Here's the deal, guys. They shake it in the movies. That's what they do. Classy guys, we stir it. That's how you roll when you order a dirty martini. Oh, wow. So what I love about this drink is it's just clean. It's smooth. It doesn't have a bite. I feel like you can have one of these before dinner. You can have it in the middle of dinner. You can have it after dinner. And trust me when I tell you, I've got plenty of friends that's exactly the strategy they follow. So this combination of the olive oil juice with the vodka, it just kind of goes together, right, Randy? I mean, how do you explain that?
Absolutely, absolutely. It's a great blend of salt and the vodka. Perfect.
There's this weird feeling you get. You almost feel like you're Don Draper or you're like James Bond with all the cool stuff, just having a dirty martini. Cheers. Now let's talk about my favorite part, real estate. So how to pick the right agent today? You know, it's really common that you know someone that has their real estate license. I mean, it's no surprise that, you know, a family member, a friend of a friend, you know, I don't know if you know this, but the joke in California today is if you get pulled over and you don't have your driver's license, show them your real estate license, because that's how many people are licensed in the state of California. But not all of them have the skill, the know-how, the knowledge, and how to professionally help you with one of the largest sales that most people do embark on. And so something that has been coming up lately, because the market is really scarce with listings today. We, fortunately, because we've been doing this 23 years, we have a plethora of business that keeps coming in because we take care of people, we provide value, so we have a lot of listings. So I keep taking the calls from the other agents wanting to show our listings, wanting to negotiate, so to speak. So I keep seeing this massive disparity of the good ones to the, you know, the really horrible ones. So it's concerning, because when buyers call me on my listings, wanting to see their wanting to see the property, I'd love to show it to them. But at the same time, they say they have an agent, but their agent can't get a hold of the showing instructions, or the agent can't seem to get a hold of me, which I find very odd, because that buyer calls me and I answer. So I don't understand what the difference is. But what I do find out is most of these realtors, this real estate profession is not their main profession. It's a secondary profession or a secondary job. They're at their main job doing that business. And they, instead of being honest and upfront with those prospective buyers, they basically tell them that me or other realtors aren't doing our job. Isn't that funny, right? So you have to be mindful of who you're working with, because it can make the difference in your offer getting accepted, in finding the right property, in, you know, just your overall experience. And today, if you're not dealing with a professional, you're going to be really cutting your legs out from under, and you don't even realize it. So just here's how do you know? How do you know if you're dealing with the right one? First off, you got to ask them, is this your full-time profession, or is it a secondary profession? So at least you know where you stand, right? And then secondly, you should ask is, you know, how much experience do you have right now? How many buyer sales have you closed in the last 12 months? How many listings have you listed and sold in the last 12 months? And you know what the neat thing is with the internet is you can actually run their name on other free sites, Google, Zillow, Truly. You can see what their performance is out there. So if they're saying they're selling 100 homes and you pull them up on Zillow and they don't even have a profile, well, you know who you're dealing with essentially, right? But I deal with this on a regular basis. Now, fortunately for my clients who hire me, you know, you get this big array of different agents that come in with low experience. I speak multiple languages, you guys. I speak English, I speak Spanish, I also speak stupid. And that's who I hear a lot from, is these dumb agents who have no experience. They don't even realize what they're doing, but they're already putting their client at a disadvantage. So do yourself a favor. When you embark on this, you know, journey of home ownership, make sure who's representing you this is their profession, because you're gonna have a better experience, you're gonna get your product, and you're gonna get what you want ultimately in the time you want. Obviously, I would love to be the person for you. You can call me, text me, But if I'm not your guy, that's okay. Just make sure the guy or girl you work with has your interests in mind and not theirs. Thank you so much for stopping by our show today. As always, we appreciate the recommendations you guys keep throwing to us. Continue it. Let us know the next food spot you want us to check out and do a review on. We'd love to do it for you. Have a great day. Hey, thanks for watching today's episode. If you enjoyed this show and you want to see more great foodie spots and learn some tips about real estate, hit the subscribe button below, smash that bell, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Take care.